What is osmoregulation and how does it affect bladder cells? Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine that needs to keep everything balanced to work properly. One key part of that balance is osmoregulation, which is how your body manages water and salts across your cells. This process is essential because it keeps your body fluids at just the right concentration so your cells can function normally. If the balance tips too far in one direction, cells can swell up with too much water or shrink from losing too much. This delicate balance is especially important for cells in your bladder. Your kidneys are the main organs responsible for osmoregulation. They filter your blood many times a day, removing excess water and salts or conserving them depending on what your body needs. Hormones like antidiuretic hormone, also called vasopressin, aldosterone, and angiotensin Roman II, help control how much water and salt the kidneys keep or get rid of. When you drink water or lose fluids through sweating or urination, these hormones adjust kidney activity to keep your blood and tissue fluids stable. Now let's focus on bladder cells. The lining of your bladder, called the urothelium, is exposed to urine, which can vary a lot in concentration. When you are well hydrated, your urine is more diluted, and when you are dehydrated, your urine becomes more concentrated. The bladder cells need to adapt to these changes to stay healthy. They do this by maintaining their own internal osmotic balance, which means they regulate how much water and salts are inside their cells. If your body becomes dehydrated and your urine becomes very concentrated, bladder cells can experience osmotic stress. This means water might move out of the cells, causing them to shrink, or water can rush into the cells if the urine is too dilute, causing them to swell. Both situations can damage the cells and the bladder lining, potentially leading to inflammation or other issues. Over time, persistent osmotic stress might influence bladder health and has been studied in relation to bladder diseases, including bladder cancer. Changes in the cellular environment and how cells respond to stress can affect how bladder cells grow and behave, which is important for understanding disease development. In summary, osmoregulation is the process that keeps water and salt levels balanced in your body by controlling how water moves across cell membranes and how your kidneys filter and adjust urine. The kidneys play a central role by filtering blood and releasing the right amount of water and salts through hormone regulation. Bladder cells are affected because they are constantly exposed to urine with varying osmolarity, and maintaining their internal balance is vital for their health. If this balance is disturbed, it can cause stress on bladder cells, potentially leading to issues like inflammation or even contributing to disease processes. Understanding how osmoregulation impacts bladder cells helps us see the connection between overall fluid balance and bladder health, emphasizing the importance of staying well hydrated and supporting kidney function for a healthy urinary system. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice on maintaining bladder health.